kasi sobrang pagod last night.
Sobrang sinagad kasi namin yung kahapon. Lahat ng energy namin kahapon.
Yeah.
Restaurant siya, baby.
Huh?
Restaurant siya.
Restaurant. Sana may map tayo, no?
Gusto ko yung mga rides.
Kasi hanapin natin.
Dito kami ngayon sa may Toy Story Land. Look. Parang medyo parang, ano yung vibe niya? Parang zoo, no?
Oo, medyo.
Parang medyo zoo vibe.
Yeah, jungle ba?
Oo, mga jungle. Oh my God! I'm so scared. Pero wala pa naman akong mga taong namatay sa Disneyland. So baka hindi ako yung una. Maliban na lang kung ako yung una.
Bakit patras tayo?
Gusto ko yung mga rides.
May na naman, oh. Oh.
Hindi mo na-pause!
Hindi ko na-pause. Mystic Manor. Hindi ko naman in-expect dito. Surprise na.
Lahat din.
There's the music box I told you about. Thanks.
Please keep the wristband
Okay.
on. Thank you. Be careful, Susama. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my
Taas,
God.
Nakakiliti sa mayag.
Gusto ko yung mga rides.
Post na post lang. Kunin mo na lang after.
We're almost there, Sven. We'll have our friends at the top of the mountain before they can say.
Ang bilis naman. Grabe ang bilis.
Next time.
My baby is happy and crying. Meron ka? 5.
Okay, so ito yung meal namin. Yan. So mamaya pang 12 midnight yung flight namin. Kaya yung whole day namin is dating lang. Tapos lakad-lakad lang. We're planning to go sa Victoria Peak pero baka hindi namin makapunta. See you later. Kakain muna kami.
Baby, ano masasabi mo sa last night natin?
Puro walk.
Puro walk. Last
Sa Avenue of Stars.
Avenue of Stars pa to. Hindi ko alam eh, parang feeling ko lang Hong Kong Harbor eh.
Ito mo yung wheel, Ferris wheel.
Ayun guys, Ferris wheel, mga boats. So we're now heading to... We're heading... We might have one last dinner before heading back to the airport. Guys.
All into this trip. Wonderful trip.
Good trip guys. Nakakapagod lang. If you come to Hong Kong, ready kayong mag-walk. Because it's parang non-stop. Mostly train and walk. So guys, overall, a very happy trip. No?
Yes.
Okay, so we're now heading back to the subway. Tapos, dinner. Dinner ulit sa city. Kasi sa, ano to eh, Arbor. Okay guys, see you again soon. Bye. Bye ka.
Bye.